Hi guys, it's Eva and today I'm going to be making some gluten-free, dairy-free brownies. I'm making these because I recently found out, as you've probably seen on my Instagram, that my sister is now gluten and lactose-free. So I make these especially for her. So let's get into the video. The ingredients you'll need are 150 grams of coconut flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of coconut sugar, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's get into the baking. The first thing we're going to do is grab a medium bowl and your sieve and sieve into the bowl the flour, the cocoa powder and the baking powder. Okay, and then we're going to grab a spatula and just fold it in. Now we're going to just push this to the side and we're going to grab another bowl. So now we are going to grab our sugar. I'm just going to sieve this into another bowl. And we are also going to add our coconut oil. And we're going to put it under a mixer, or if you have a electric mixer, that would be fine as well. And we're just going to beat this on a medium speed. So this has been beating for a while, and we're now going to add in the vanilla extract, the other egg, and the egg yolk. And we're going to mix this again on a medium speed. So that has been going for about 20 seconds, and we are going to grab our dry mixture back and just pour some of it in at a time. And then we're going to mix. Okay, so the mixture is now done. This is a very, very, very thick mixture, and I've also lined a tray to put the brownie mixture in. So I'm just going to make sure that I can get everything off of the paddle. So get as much as the mixture off as you can. We're going to take this, move this out to the side because we don't need this anymore. And we're just going to make sure that everything is incorporated in this mixture. And then we're just going to pour all this into here. Okay, so I have now finished pushing this down. Actually, like I said, it is a very, very, very thick mixture. So I'd recommend just using a spatula like this to push it down with. And so this is going to go into the oven for 27 minutes. Okay, so my brownies come out the oven, and I've just got this board just so I can cut it up on. It's one of my favourites, really easy. And I've got my brownie here, and I'm just going to take it out of here. Put my tin over there because we don't need it at the moment, and we're going to cut this up. I'm just going to take the wrapping off camera so it's just a bit easier. So yeah. So I've cut them up, as you can see, and they are looking amazing. So I know at the start I said that the mixture is really thick, which it is. So these look absolutely amazing. I am really excited to try them with Etta because they are mostly for her, but you know, your sister always has to try it, but you know. Anyway, so these are the finished products. You can have a look at them here. And I just wanted to say, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at baking.with.eva. And this is because there'll be loads of pictures of these on here, and not only these but loads of other stuff on there, including my Reese's Pieces cupcake, which you will be able to see in a minute. I've also done a video on that, and there was loads of other stuff on there as well. Not just stuff on my YouTube channel. I've done loads of other stuff, including breakfast I make, pancakes, smoothie recipes, and everything. So some of them are even healthy. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!